Hello friends, hope you guys are doing great. Let's get started with our today's video. In this we are going to learn some very beautiful hairstyles. So let's get started with it. As you can see, we have first divided these hairs into 3 equal parts and now we are braiding. After making the braids, we have to repeat the same process and we can now convert these braids into a bun. For your next hairstyle, you can take this and you can start tying your hairs in between. After tucking the hairs like this, you can make a complete braid like this. First, make a ponytail and divide your hairs like this. After dividing your hairs into 3 equal parts, you can start converting these equal dividation of hairs into a bun like it or pattern like this. As you can see, after making that, we have made a complete bun out of it. Now after dividing your hairs like these, you can simply use a hairpin for tucking it in between and you can now start taking the hair strands like this. Now you can make braids and yes, you can get a very beautiful bun like this. Thanks for watching.